Sharp Microwave Model ZSMC1139FS Error Codes. Sharp 1.1 CU Countertop Microwave Oven Certified for Humans. Smart Home made easy for non-experts. Setup with Alexa is simple. Meet Echo Dot, our most popular smart speaker with a fabric design. It is our most compact smart speaker that fits perfectly into small spaces. Improved speaker quality, better speaker quality than Echo Dot Gen 2 for richer and louder sound. Pair with a second Echo Dot for stereo sound. Voice control your music, stream songs from Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, SiriusXM, and others. Error codes. Code EE1, EE2. Problem: magnetron failure. Code EE3. Problem: both magnetrons failed. Code EE4, R23GT, R24GT and R25JT only. Problem: voltage too high. Code EE5, R23GT, R24GT and R25JT only. Problem: voltage too low. Code EE6, EE10, EE16. Problem: thermistor's failure. Code EE7. Problem: exhaust air temperature too high. Code EE8. Problem: circuit failure. Code EE9. Problem: maximum time is exceeded. Code EE0. Problem: fan lock error. Code EE17. Problem: magnetron temperature too high.